So I just got this like 2 days ago. I don't know what's going on with this, but it doesn't even pop out anymore. And it looks like it's melted in. What I had a really hard time pulling this thing out, which it shouldn't be hard, but on here it's melting off and it's getting stuck like glue. So hopefully this lasts maybe a month. Super disappointed.
Nice little UV night light. Changes colors. Whoop. And just go through a couple little colors. Red, green, blue, and like purple. Fades in and out. Pretty neat.
Yeah, this is what Amazon sold me. Doesn't even work. It's been running since 3 o'clock yesterday. There's no bags or nothing in it. I gotta remove that part and everything. It's supposed to be shooting out mist and it doesn't. And my room is still stuffy.
Dad, need a haircut. Need a haircut.
Who's got a haircut?